Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record audio on your iPhone. So this is going to work on any iPhone that you have. So let's get started. So there's a built-in app just to record audio on your iPhone. The app that you'll find, it's most likely in a folder called Utilities, or if you don't see that Utilities folder, you can also search for it. You're going to look for the app called Voice Memos. Now, if you don't see it here, there's also a search option, and just simply search of Voice Memo. So if you want to find this, you'll see there's an option to be able to record audio directly on your iPhone and save it. So if you want to record something and save it, right, an audio message, just simply click on that. So this is an example recording. As you can see here, we are recording right now. It's counting down the minutes, and once you're done, just click on stop and you can go ahead and play. And as you can see here, I have just recorded a quick audio recording, and from there on you can do things with these three dots here. It gives you the option to first, like if you wanted to change the name of it, you can save it to files, you can copy it over, send it on a message, you can share it with someone using AirDrop message, most likely if you want to send them as a message, maybe your email as well. There's a couple other options if you want to go ahead and share it as well. But that's how you go about recording audio on your iPhone. I hope this quick video is helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. I'll see you guys next time.